Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So what are we going to do today? We are going to solve problems on persons leaving, joining, problems on time and work. Okay, let's begin with this question. Sita and Geeta together can complete work in 3 days. They started together, but after 2 days Geeta left. If the work is completed after 2 more days, Geeta alone can do the work in how many days? Here Sita and Geeta together do the work in 3 days. So the work done by Sita and Geeta in 1 day will be 1 by 3. So they work together for 2 days. The work done by them in 2 days is 1 by 3 into 2, that is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 part of the work is done. So the remaining work is 1 minus 2 by 3, that is equals to 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3 part is the remaining work. This remaining work is done by Sita in 2 more days. So the work done by Sita in 1 day is equals to 1 by 3 divided by 2, that is equals to 1 by 6. Here 1 by 6 is the work done by Sita in 1 day. Here 1 by 3 is the work done by Sita and Geeta in 1 day. 1 by 6 is the work done by Sita in 1 day. Let us assume that x be the work done by Geeta in 1 day. So by this we will 1 by 6 plus x is equals to 1 by 3. By solving this we will get x is equals to 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is the work done by Geeta in 1 day. By this we can conclude that Geeta alone can complete the work in 6 days. Coming to second question, Ramu and Somu can do a piece of work in 20 and 25 days respectively. They started and worked for 5 days. Then Ramu left. The remaining work will be done by Somu in how many days? Coming to solution, the work done by Ramu and Somu in 1 day will be 1 by 20 and 1 by 25 respectively. Then the work done by them together in 1 day is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 25, that is equals to 9 by 100. So they worked together for 5 days. So the work done by them in 5 days is equals to 9 by 100 into 5, that is equals to 9 by 20. Here is the 9 by 20 is the work which is done yet. So the remaining work is 1 minus 9 by 20, that is equals to 11 by 20. This remaining work will be done by Somu alone. Let us assume that y be the number of days to complete the work by Somu. Here 1 by 25, 1 by 25 is the work done by Somu in 1 day, and multiplied with y. Y is the number of days he took, is equals to 11 by 20. 11 by 20 is the which is the remaining work. By solving this we will get the value of y is equals to 11 by 4. 11 by 4 is the days which took by Somu to complete the work. So by this we can conclude that the remaining work will be done by Somu in 11 by 4 days or 3 by 4 days in the mixed fraction form. Here X does 80% of a work in 20 days. He then calls in Y and they together finish the remaining work in 3 days. How long Y alone would take to do the whole work? So X does 80% of work in 20 days. The work done by X in 20 days is equals to 80%. 80% we can represent it as 80 by 100, which is equals to 4 by 5. Then the work done by X in 1 day is equals to 4 by 5 divided by 20, that is equals to 1 by 25. So here 80% of the work is done by X. So the remaining work is 1 minus 4 by 5, that is equals to 1 by 5. This remaining work is done by X and Y together in 3 days. The work done by X and Y in 3 days is equals to 1 by 5. So the work done by X and Y in 1 day will be 1 by 5 divided by 3, that is equals to 1 by 15. Let us assume that n be the work done by Y in 1 day. By this we can say that 1 by 25 plus n is equals to 1 by 15. Here 1 by 25 is the work done by X in 1 day plus n is the work done by y in one day is equals to 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is the work done by x and y together in one day. By solving this, we will get the value of n is equals to 2 by 75. So 2 by 75 is the work done by y in one day. By this we can conclude that y alone can complete the whole work in 75 by 2 days or 37 and a half days. Here A and B can do a piece of work in 20 and 12 days respectively. A started the work alone and then after 4 days B joined him till the completion of the work. How long did the work last? Here work done by A and B in one day will be 1 by 20 and 1 by 12 respectively. So work done by A in 4 days. A worked single for 4 days. So the work done by A in 4 days is 1 by 20 into 4 is equals to 1 by 5. So the remaining work will be 1 minus 1 by 5 is equals to 4 by 5. This remaining work will be done by A and B together. The work done by A and B together in one day will be 1 by 20 plus 1 by 12 is equals to 2 by 15. Let us assume that n be the required number of days. So A and B together are working. The work done by them in one day is 2 by 15 into n. N is the number of days required. Is equals to 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is the remaining work to be done. By this we will get the value of n is equals to 6 days. So the conclusion is the remaining work will be done in 6 days working together by them.